हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आपका स्वागत है आपका प्यारा सा चैनल नौकरी अलर्ट पर। आज हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ सेकेंड वीक ऑफ जून 2020। ये सारे इंपॉर्टेंट करंट अफेयर्स होंगे जो आपके हर एग्जाम के लिए इंपॉर्टेंट है, जैसे एसएससी, रेलवे और आसाम पुलिस के लिए। और वीडियो स्टार्ट करने के पहले अगर आप इस चैनल पे नए हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि हम आपको इसी तरह के वीडियोस आगे तक प्रोवाइड करते रहें। तो चलिए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। पाकिस्तान हैज हाईएस्ट इन्फ्लेशन इन 2020। SBP report on June 9, 2020. SBP raised policy interest rate during the financial year to keep inflation under control. However, it has the opposite effect. Private sector stopped working, taking loan. Due to this, inflation increased further. Number 2. Agreement between India and Denmark for cooperation in the power sector. On June 9, 2020, the objective of this agreement is to develop a strong and long-term cooperation in the power sector on the basis of mutual benefit between the two countries. Geo Idea deal. Abu Dhabi Investment Authority brought 1.16% stake in Geo Reliance. The platform on June 9, 2020, Morgan Stanley provide financial advice to Reliance Industry for the deal with ADIA and AZB and partners, and David Fox as well as Dadwell to provide legal advice. Number 4. Legislative for aid a country formed International Parliamentary Coalition against China. On June 9, 2020, the alliance believed that China is becoming a global challenge under the rule of Chinese Communist Party. Number 5. Adani Green Energy get contract to build world largest solar power plant. On June 10, 2020, according to the company statement, Adani Green Energy Limited has backed the solar project, including first of its kind manufacturing from Solar Energy Corporation of India (ACCI). IWF dismissed doping allegation against Sanchit Chanu on 10 June 2020. The discussion was taken by IWF based on recommendation of World Anti-Doping Agency WADA. Weightlifter Sanjita Chanu was claiming her innocence for the beginning. Number 7. Assam Gas Leak fires oil as well. State government seek help from center on June 10. Assam Minister for Environment and Forest Primal Subandia said that Assam government is working its best to control the fire. ICC has banned saliva from flashing bowl jersey allowed extra logo. On June 10, 2020, ICC has implemented the Cricket Committee recommendation to ban the use of saliva to sign the ball. Saturn and its moon Titan fast growing mutual distance. On June 10, 2020, the moon begging to move away from its associated planet because as the moon orbit itself, it's a gravity to make impact on the association planet, which provides a temporary plug on the planet as the moon moves pass away by its planet. Number 10. Arpit, Indian Air Force has developed an air rescue pod to execute serious patients on June 10, 2020. According to the Ministry of Defense, an air execution system was required along with a faculty to prevent the spread of infection aerosol for COVID-19 patients during air travel. Reservation is not fundamental right but a law statement by Supreme Court on June 12, 2020. The Supreme Court said that reservation is not a fundamental right. A bench head by Justice A. Nareksara Rao said that one can claim that reservation is fundamental right. Number 12. Famous poet Gulzar Devri has passed away on June 13, 2020. He was awarded the Padma Shri for his contribution to Urdu poetry literature. Padma Shri is an honor given to the government given by Government of India, generally only Indian citizen. Number 13. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will once again discuss with the Chief Minister on Corona crisis. The meeting will be conducted on June 13. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, meanwhile, is going to meet again with the Cabinet Minister of State for sixth time through video conferencing. This meeting will run for 2 days with the Chief Minister in different states. Its schedule has been released. Number 14. Bollywood actor Sushant Singh Rajput commits suicide. On June 14, 2020, Sushant Singh Rajput started his career as a TV actor. He first worked in a serial named Kis Desh Mein Hai Mera Dil. After that, Pavitra Rishta. Asian Championship winner Gomti Mirumuthu was stripped of a medal. On June 14, 2020, Gomti Mirumuthu is an Indian field runner based on Tamil Nadu. She won her first gold medal in women 800 meter race at Asian Athletics held in Doha, Qatar in 2019. 16. Cheteshwar Pujara, Ravindra Jadeja and Lokesh Rahul get NADA notice on June 14, 2020. In fact, this player has failed to give important information about their place to stay, and because of this, NADA has taken his step. However, the BCCI has cited a password glitch for the delay. Number 17. ICMR recommend the use of rapid antigen kits for testing. On June 14, 2020, ICMR said is a consolation that this kits is facilitated faster diagnosis working laboratory investigation. Katya Ladies become the first female head of NASA managed by flight program on June 14, 2020. Kathleen Leder was the manager of commercial crew, and since 2014 she has been directing NASA effort to send astronauts into the space on a private spacecraft. India got first infection disease diagnosis laboratory on June 14, 2020. This newly created diagnosis laboratory can easily test up to 50 RT-PCRs and about 200 ELISA per day. 20. British Academy Film Award postponed for 2 months. On June 14, 2020, due to coronavirus or COVID-19, the Academy of Motion Picture Art and Science announced that the third Academy Award has been postponed until 25 April 2021. Thank you for watching videos on Naukri Alert. अगर आप नए हो तो प्लीज़ इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि हम आपको इसी तरह की इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक वाइज वीडियोस प्रोवाइड करते रहें। थैंक यू।